Yes, welcome into IATD TV, and today you join us for the Sunday Supplement Special, where if you've watched me for any length of time now, you will know that I love a core set, and I'm going to express that love by opening some more of it today. And we've got 3 more boxes of Blazing Vortex. Not going to waste a great deal of time on the commons from the set, but we'll see what we have in store for us. Warrock Cactus. Next up, Fabled and Wraith. Some Rituals, Wind Witch Chimes. Let's go for the next pack. Some Ancient Warriors. Tri-Brigade Kit. Constellar Caduceus. And our first Ultra is Wind Witch Diamond Bell. Ooh, there's a Freezey Wheezey treat right off the bat. Underworld Goddess, new Link 5. And currently it's the 2nd highest grossing secret rare out of the set, before you move into Starlight prices. I'll get a sleeve on that guy. That is a nice start. Next, Super is Materiactor Gigadra. And a Parametalphose. 3 packs on the right hand side. The new Retrain of Reinforcement, S-Force Aurifist. Dragon Thunderbolt, and the last pack from the right, Dragon level 10 white, nice pull. I think that card would look amazing in Ghost Rare. As I knock the camera. And ooh, first time we pulled one of these. The Triphasic Dragon, new Super Poly target. It's been a pretty decent box thus far. Got the new Link 5, got the new Super Poly target, some more Armed Dragon support in the right hand side there. Warrock Fortia. And an Armed Dragon Lightning, an Armed Dragon Thunder level 3. Oh, there was a Freezey Wheezey treat. What a box! What an absolute stonking box! We got the Freezey Wheezey treat box right here. Excuse me while I sleeve this guy. We're 1 box in and we've already got those to speak. Oh. And we've still got some packs to go out of this box, so that's one hell of a start. S-Force Gravitino. Golgonda. Dream Mirror. EMR, a Ancient Warriors, and Dragoon Knight. Put those over to one side. We will crack into our next box. Alright, let's crack into box number 2 of 3. Armed Dragon Thunder level 5. And a Giga Thunder. Armed Dragon Thunderbolt. Dragoon Knight. The next pack. Another Ancient Warriors. Lu Feng. A Angel Statue. The new Eldritch Fusion continuous spell. Oh yes, I wanted to pull this card so badly. Armed Dragon Thunder level 10. I have a soft spot for Thunder monsters. Thunder Dragons is probably my favourite deck I've ever played. And I know this is a Dragon monster by name, but it is a Thunder Dragon as well. So yeah, happy to see that. It's a little Freezey Wheezey treat for me. It's not big money, but it's big joy. Dogmatica Genesis, Armed Dragon Thunder level 3. Super Windwitch Chimes. 2 packs on our right hand side. What's that doing in there? You see that? It was in the pack. Some random strip. Anyway. A S-Force Platina. A Live Twin Lilla Treat is our Ultra. Materia Actor. Tri-Brigade Kit. A Dream Mirror. A Spriggan's Watch. And the first secret rare that isn't really a Freezey Wheezey treat, but at this point I will not complain, as we are sitting on a Pot of Prosperity, an Underworld Goddess, and an Armed Dragon Thunder level 10. Windwitch Freezebell. A Maha Vilo. Warrock Forsha. 3 pack in our second bot. White Baking. S-Force. And our final pack. Hey, Psychic Eraser Laser, not bad. Haven't seen any of those in 2 boxes. Let's crack into number 3. Right, here we jolly well go. 24 packs. One last shot to see what we can pull out of Blazing Vortex, because I don't think I'm going to buy too much more after this. We've pulled 2 of the Link 5, 2 of the Prosperity. I don't think it's getting much better than that. Not unless you're buying cases going after Starlights, and as much as I'd love to see a Starlight on this channel, and I do hope that we can pull one day, I don't think this was a case-worthy set. And to be honest, unless you're a serious vendor, it's hard to say any set is case-worthy. Don't get me wrong, I like to sell some of the cards I pull, but it's not the be-all and end-all. Dual Avatar. Underdog is a penultimate secret rare. It's our second copy of that. We've had an Ultra and a Secret so far. I'm Dragon Thunder level 3. Gactos. Ooh, that's a new pull. Greater Polymerization. Might have its moment at some point, but I don't think it's going to rip up too many trees right now. A War Rock Basileos. I'm Dragon Lightning, Windwitch Chimes. EMR. Mahal Vilo. As we are making our way down the home straight. Another pot would be nice. A Starlight would be even nicer. And there's our final secret. Can't complain, we did pretty well out of the secrets that we've pulled. Half the secrets that we've pulled have been absolute bangers, so. Psychic Eraser Laser. I'm Dragon Thunder level 5. Spriggan's Watch. And our final 2 packs shall yield us a Xyz. And finally, a White Baking. So that about wraps us up for the opening today. We have pulled 3 absolutely Freezey Wheezey trinks. We got the Pot of Prosperity for the top value. We got the Link 5 Underworld for the second best value. And the Armed Dragon Thunder level 10 for my personal collection. So I think that about wraps us up. Let me know down in the comments what you were looking forward to out of this set, or what you pulled. And without anything further, like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. This is IATD TV signing off. Peace.